Hey folks, it's Simon here with your Tao Daily edition for Thursday, the 15th of August 2024. We've just had some economic data released. Retail sales came in quite a bit stronger than expected. Month-on-month growth of 1% versus expectations of 0.4%. So that's a turnaround from last month's disappointing flat result. So it shows the consumer is still alive, and it also is certainly less recessionary than the data we've seen recently. So we've also had a better than expected initial jobless claims print. Initial claims came in at 227,000. Market was looking for 9,000 more than that at 236k. So data better than expected. Equity markets, or the equity market futures, have barely reacted though. The Nasdaq and S&P futures both up about 0.2%. And I guess what's happening is the equity market is weighing the better economic data, which kind of averts or delays recessionary vibes. Offsetting that is the prospect of, well, maybe we don't get a 50 basis point cut in September after all. Now, the major equity indices are at a big level here. What do I mean by that? Well, we are right at the 50-day moving average on the S&P futures. We're at the 61.8% retracement. So if we did fail here, that would be pretty poetic. We'd be looking at some geometric perfection there. I'd make similar comments about Nasdaq futures here as well, and I'll just get rid of my pen tool and show you what I mean. We've run right into the 50% moving 50% retracement level as well. So it's these are fairly obvious levels to fail, and the market rarely does the obvious. But if they did roll over here today or tomorrow being OPEX, yeah, it would be a pretty obvious sort of a rollover. But as it stands, futures markets are trading in a very relaxed manner. Economic data this week has really been a nothing burger. CPI didn't really affect the markets much yesterday, and it looks like retail sales and initial claims is just more smooth sailing today. Tomorrow is monthly options expiration, which can get a little bit squirrely if there are some large open positions that push prices around. Of course, next week we don't have a Fed meeting, but we do have the Jackson Hole Symposium, where the market is sure to pass every word that Jerome Powell says. Oh, look, we're seeing a little bit more life in futures now. The Nasdaq futures are up about 0.7%, and the S&P 500 futures up about 0.6%. So the early indications are another moderately bullish session for today. That's what I got for you. I hope it helps, and I will catch you on Friday. Thank you.